Welcome to our company Advanced Ag Research Limited, Valsad, India. Visit us at www.aal.in. Advanced Ag Research Limited is a well-known ISO 9001-2000 certified company dedicated to manufacturing superior and economically priced wood preservatives and household insect control products. Our policy is always to put in our best efforts for providing the right quality of materials at right time by understanding the customer's changing needs. What we do and what we plan to do now. Our products Termigard and Termigard Superpower EC have passed in a stringent 1 year's bioefficacy evaluation test from Institute of Wood Science and Technology, Bangalore, and in the last 17 years, our company has become the largest volume manufacturers of anti-termite products in India, while we also export to many other countries regularly. As per NFPA data of wood destruction, more wood is destroyed by building fires than fungi and insects combined, while buildings fires also cause loss of human lives. Wood and wood products are not the culprits to start any building fire, but they are combustible and always contribute to spread of flame if not protected by fire-resistant coatings to prevent fire. Being in the business of saving wood from insects, our company decided to provide full protection to wood and ply, which mainly have two enemies, that is, insects like termite, fungi, borers and fire. We have been providing termite control products for the last 17 years, and now we have started to serve with fire safety coatings for the wood industry to provide 100% protection to wood substrates. We have therefore dedicated total efforts of our R&D during last 7 years to develop intumescent fire resistant coatings for wood safety as well as other combustible materials used in household like cotton and synthetic fabrics, PU foam, upholstery fabrics, resin and carpets, etc. to reduce fire accidents. As per NFPA data, 87% of total building fires take place in residences and office premises, which obviously need highest priority attention to save lives and properties. The occurrence of a fire disaster is uncertain. In most cases, as a fire hazard starts at the level of a small spark, which ignites all the highly combustible materials in a premise and results in what may be a devastating inferno. Fire is a common threat to all assets across all sectors. Most fire hazards in India are caused due to lack of fire prevention and failure to take necessary planned control measures. Strengthening fire safety preventions helps reduce the impact of fires on people and property. The fire retardant coatings play a unique role in fire prevention and fire safety. These are ready 24/7, always in place to function in resistance to fire and slow down the combustion process many times, which can be the difference between life and death. Negligence on fire safety prevention costs us dearly. Fire retardant coatings are designed to keep damage to a minimum and to buy time until help can arrive. The opportunities thrown open by the market for fire retardant coatings needs to be thoroughly exploited by India for safety from fire for each of us. On exposure to flame, the fire retardant coating insulation layer expands to form carbonaceous char anywhere from 50 to 200 times of its original thickness due to rise in temperature before ignition of an article and thus prevents ignition. Fire-safe products do not allow flame to catch because it increases the threshold ignition temperature of substrate substantially. Due to its intumescent action, it cuts off the oxygen and char separates the substrate from flame contact. Hence, this does not allow fire to take place, and in this way, it provides fire safety. Now we are going to demonstrate a new fire safe products, that is intumescent fire retardant coatings for home, office and all kinds of furniture. Fire Safe 704 for wood is impermeable by termites, thus full protection from termites, and fire for wood, ply and other similar cellulosic materials, that is double safety. Application: we are taking a normal wood sample to show how to treat objects with Fire Safe 704. As demonstrated, we apply an even coat of Fire Safe 704 uniformly with a brush or spray. The same method is applicable for all other similar substrate materials for treatment. After application of Fire Safe 704 on wood panel, it should be fully dried for at least 12 hours to 24 hours. Demonstration. As you can see in demonstration, we are using two wooden panels, one standard untreated panel and one treated with Fire Safe 704 and fully dried after 2 coats application. We are using kerosene to dip both wood panels for fire test of Fire Safe 704 kerosene being highly combustible. Both wood panels are being ignited by propane blowtorch flame directly. The untreated wood panels is burnt until totally consumed, whereas the wood panel treated with Fire Safe 704 is not catching the flame and generates char on it. And after scrapping the char, you can see wood is still safe and can be refinished. Isn't it incredibly safe for life of wood? It shows that Fire Safe 704 is the best protection for the wood, ply and also any other cellulosic material assets of similar nature use. Certification after testing. Fire Safe 704 has been stringently tested by A. Electrical Research and Development Association, Vadodara. The laboratory has tested Fire Safe 704 as per ASTM D3801, ISO 1210, ASTME 84 for vertical burning test UL94V0 and approved the products as a Class A fire retardant. B. Government of India National Test House Western Region has tested Fire Safe 704 and passed in most comprehensive and stringent tests for fire resistance as per ASTM E119 fire penetration test for 1 hour at 1800 degree Fahrenheit or more. What makes Fire Safe 704 so impressive is that our coating reflects the heat away from the substrate, keeping the temperature of the substrate in a safe range and keeps the substrate structurally intact throughout the wooden assemblies. C. Government of India National Test House Western Region has tested Fire Safe 704 as per ASTME 84 for vertical burning test UL94V0 and has been approved as a Class A fire retardant. Benefits of Fire Safe 704. Number 1. Fire Safe 704 resists and stops fire due to spreading of flame in case of ignition and reduces smoke to minimum. Once the source of flame is removed, the fire extinguishes itself without spreading further. Number 2. Fire Safe 704 is used on dried painted, lacquered, varnished surfaces to develop high fire resistance against fire for safety. Number 3. By Fire Safe 704, application termites and borers inside the wood and ply get killed instantly and are repelled thereafter. Number 4. FireSafe 704 strengthens wood and ply due to minimum 4 to 7 mm penetration into it to make it denser, stronger material, resulting in termite repellents for a safe life of more than 10 years. Number 5. After drying, it is water resistant, colorless and transparent. FireSafe 703. Here we are using 2 samples of PU foam strips, that is untreated PU foam strip and treated PU foam strip coated with FireSafe 703 for application. On PU foam strip we have sprayed FireSafe 703 with a sprayer and it has been fully dried, and the same method is used for cotton cloth and upholstery fabrics as shown in demonstration. On ignition through propane blowtorch directed at both PU foam strips, we can see that untreated PU foam strip is totally burnt rapidly within seconds, whereas the treated PU foam strip coated with FireSafe 703 is not catching flame, hence no fire and no smoke. Application on cotton fabrics. Cotton fabrics. Now we are taking 2 cotton cloth pieces for demonstration. One is treated with FireSafe 703 and the other is untreated cotton cloth. On making them to ignite by propane flame torch directly, the untreated cotton fabric catches fire and gets totally burnt in seconds, whereas the treated cotton cloth does not catch flame, burns but there is no flame or smoke. Application on furniture upholstery fabrics. As you can see in demonstration, untreated furniture upholstery fabric catches flame directly and treated furniture upholstery fabrics does not catch flame, and it is still safe because of FireSafe 703 coating, only being smoother but not burnt, there being no flame spread and no smoke. Certification after testing. FireSafe 703 has been stringently tested by Electrical Research and Development Association, Vadodara. The laboratory has tested FireSafe 703 as per ASTM D3801, ISO 1210, ASTME 84 for vertical burning test UL94V0 and approved the product as a Class A fire retardant. FireSafe 702 fire retardant for Rexine. Application on Rexine. Now we have taken Rexine coated with FireSafe 702. One Rexine piece is coated with FireSafe 702 which does not catch flame and low smoke generates, not getting any kind of fire damage through direct flame. Whereas untreated Rexine piece catches flame easily, shrinks and melts easily. While burning, it produces black smoke. Certification after testing, FireSafe 702 has been stringently tested by Electrical Research and Development Association, Vadodara. The laboratory has tested FireSafe 702 as per ASTM D3801, ISO 1210, ASTME 84 for vertical burning test UL94V0 and approved the product as a Class A fire retardant. FireSafe 701 fire retardant for vinyl flooring tiles. Vinyl flooring tiles. Here we are taking two pieces of vinyl flooring tiles. One treated with FireSafe 701 and second one is untreated vinyl flooring tile piece. By burning them with direct flame, the treated vinyl flooring tile with FireSafe 701 is resisting heat and fire and does not catch flame, whereas the untreated vinyl flooring tile catches flame, shrinks and burns while generating smoke. Certification after testing, FireSafe 701 has been stringently tested by Electrical Research and Development Association, Vadodara. The laboratory has tested FireSafe 701 as per AS-TMD 3801, ISO 1210, ASTME 84 for vertical burning test UL94V0 and approved the product as a Class A fire retardant. FireSafe 705 Fire Retardant Concentrate for Enamel Paints. As demonstrated, we have taken two wooden panels. One wooden panel is painted with only enamel paint and another wooden panel painted with 15% FireSafe Concentrate 705 mixed with 85% enamel paint and dried. Both panels are dipped in kerosene and ignited by propane torch. The wooden panel painted with only enamel paint catches the flame easily and burns fully, whereas the enamel paint mixed with 15% FireSafe 705 coated on wood panel does not catch the flame, hence no fire. After scrapping, it can be refurnished. Certification after testing, FireSafe 705 has been stringently tested by A. Government of India National Test House Western Region as per ASTME 84 and Vertical Burning Test UL94V0 and also has been approved as Class A Fire Retardant. B. Electrical Research and Development Association, Vadodara. The laboratory has tested FireSafe 705 as per ASTMD 3801, ISO 1210, ASTME 84 for vertical burning test UL94V0 and approved the product as a Class A fire retardant. According to the Indian National Fire data, for the last 5 years from 2008 to 2012, reported by IRDA, on average Rs 48,500 crores fire loss compensation for property losses by fire insurance companies alone has been paid every year. Yearly average fire deaths were 24,576 with about 110,000 people yearly injured due to fire, according to the report of National Crime Research Bureau of India. At least 94% of the total fire deaths occur in homes and office buildings. In developed countries like US, fires killed 10 to 20 people per million of the population per year and has caused fire losses of US $11.5 billion per year on a yearly average during last 5 years. Now, we are introducing our new products as we have developed fire retardant coatings for wood and ply, fire retardants for furniture, upholstery fabrics and PU foam, cotton, resin, carpets and fire retardant concentrate for enamel paints of several types. Double action. FireSafe 704 after application and drying repulses termites, finding the FireSafe coat unpassably hard and distasteful to termites, hence, so long as the wood or any such substrate remains treated, it remains safe from termite and borer attack. Thus, it works as durable termiticide for over a decade or until the coating remains over the surface, which means FireSafe 704 is a full protection from fire and termites both. Other FireSafe products explained prevent flaming of almost all other materials of combustible nature in a household and provides fire safety to entire premises of a house or building and helps to protect entire property from loss and saves lives. This is incredible. FireSafe 704 being fire and termite prevention double action special product. Everyone should use all these fire and termite safe double action product and the other fire safe products to their best advantages and enjoy the benefits of safety and prevention from losses due to fire and termites as well as losses of lives and injuries due to fire.